is Vibin and welcome to my channel. Actually, today I'm going to start uh, how to create Ansible, how to help Ansible in DevOps, how to create the Ansible server in a system with the help of Azure. So Azure is actually a cloud platform. So with the help of Azure, we are making the server or VM, and then we are changing that Azure VM to a Ansible server. So we are going to do lot of Ansible lot of tricks and try to learn lot of steps of Ansible from today. And Ansible server, what I need to achieve is create a Ansible server, then create some nodes. So how to connect the Ansible server with that nodes? Actually, in the production we can see lot of nodes. So with one server, how we are handling those nodes, that's we are going to see today. So let's start. This is my Azure, Microsoft Azure platform. I just deleted all of my unwanted resources. Then, so anyway, let's start. So for that, first of all, we want to create a VNet. So how we are going to create VNets over here, virtual network. I want to create the virtual network here, and I want to give a resource group. Actually, I have created. I always use this resource group by my name, Vipin, which is which is I used in every practice. So virtual network name I prefer, like for example uh April. So this is April. So I just made April, and the region is South UK, where I am now, and created that. So meanwhile, oh yeah, it's created. So okay, fine. It's deployment is in progress. So yeah, it's almost created. Now we are going to create three virtual machines. So one is server, another uh, two are nodes. So I'm going to here and creating virtual machine, and here I'm going to select the resource group, and this virtual machine name is server, and region UK. Availability just I don't need, and this is the image, and the size is fine. So I want to connect this with some kind of uh, username and password. So I just mention the username and password here. Actually, yes, so I have given that. So as such is more than enough, because it's a so over here it's disk type. So I don't want premium SSD. I just want standard. So technically this is a trial. That's why I'm choosing this. And over here networking, I need to confirm that I'm using April is my VNet virtual network. So I need to confirm that. And monitor, advanced tag, all are same. No need to change in that actually. Yeah. So I just want to review everything is fine. Yes, I'm creating it. Yeah, it's actual processing. It will take big time. Mm, So meanwhile we can go and create our two nodes as well. So let's see. Okay, virtual network or server is creating actually, yeah. And I'm going to create the node in same resource group, and node 1, this is node 1. No need for infrastructure, and going forward everything is fine. Just I need to change the passwords because it's easy for me, because I'm using Mac, so that it's easy for me to connect within item. Okay, disk disk would be standard network. Uh, yeah, network is April IP address node 1 IP. Next, everything is fine. Let's go create. So I have create the node 1 also. Now let's see what's going to be. Yes, node 1 is creating. Now we need to create another one, that is node 2. So availability node required password, and okay, everything is same. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, going to create it. So I have check. Yes, my node 1 is created. Node 2 is created. Now in Azure we have created node 1, node 2, and one server. Now our aim is to make this in a Ansible server and Ansible node. Okay. So for that what I need to do is to refresh it once. Let's see. So mostly yes. Yeah, the node 2 is creating, no problem. Meanwhile we can start our terminal. For that I'm using item. I'm opening item. This is my item. I just need to clear it. Here I'm going to do as a search. Learning is my username. At I want to see what's my server IP address. Let's go here. Yes, here's my IP address. Going to connect. Yes. Password. I given the password also. Yes, it's clear now. Now the tricky thing is this split. I split this. Clear. As such, learning is my username. Yet, and here node 1 I'm to open. Okay, I'm opening this node 1. Okay, yes. Uh, this is my password. Okay, that's also done. Now I want to split again. And again node 2 as a search username at what is node 2. So here I'm to open node 2. Okay, node 2. Yes. Okay, now I'm entering in that. Clear. Okay, now I need to install Ansible all this server. For that, first of all I need to update all of these things. So and only in the server part I need to give some kind of condition. Let's do that. The server part, sudo update apt. Yes, so sudo apt update. Sudo apt update. This is going to be here also. Mm, sudo apt update. Here also sudo apt update. So I'm updating all the server just after opening this. And then I want to put some kind of properties, software properties. It's essential for the server. I just made that as well in the server. And after that, I want to add some repositories. So that is sudo repositories I want to add for Ansible server. I need to add that repository, that connected that repository to the server actually. And I want to install uh, and I want to install some of the required required mm, packages. So before that, what I want to do, I want to implement all this in one click. So I want to broadcasting input in this three of the file. This is broadcasting inputs. And what I'm going to do, going to write this. So what is this actually? This is going to install the Ansible which we downloaded, and after installing that, they also adding three packages which are more essential: RPM, tree, and Vim. So let's install that in all these three VMs servers. Okay, then yeah, let's wait for some time for that. As as we are using Azure Cloud with Ubuntu VM, so we need to change some kind of um, steps which are there in SSSD configuration. So I'm going to do that after the installation of these packages. For that, it's 74 in the server and 87. So see, this server is a bit slow, and but node is doing very good. Because all are same VMs, but we are changing it as server and nodes. So we are making those VMs into servers and nodes actually. Okay, now the servers and nodes are clear. I want to clear it actually. Now everything is fine. Now I want to go into sudo vim. I want to open etc folder ssh. There will be a sshd underscore config. So I want to open this file and I want to do some changes over here. Like it's going down. This public key authorization. So I need to make it yes. Also, not that password key authentication. That's what the thing. Uh, Password. What is it? Yes, this one. Password key authentication. Uh, Password key I need to make yes. Then keyboard interactive authentication. That need to be yes. Okay, I have changed that. And after that, I just want to sudo this service need to be restart. SSS need to be restart. Yes, it's restarted. Just clearing that. Okay, I have cleared that. Now I want to add user. Actually, all machine I have to add the user actually. Add users. Okay, it's I need to go to root for adding user. So that sudo su I'm going to okay, and I am going to add ansible users. Now it's asking for new password. I'm just putting password and full name no need, room number no need. It's okay. Yes, yes, information is correct. Okay, I have added the users also. Then I'm going to give the permission. So for giving permission, I need to go vi sudo. So actually this permission is actually now we given a password on top of that. Now we are going to Ansible for a permission that now we are not using that password in Ansible at all anywhere. So for that I need to give this over here and the down the, the down here root here I want to change it actually. I want to put a code here. So I'm going to put that code, this one. Okay. And now Ansible will not ask for any password while connecting from Ansible server to nodes. That's what the and control O and okay, overwrite control O will be overwriting and we have overwrited that. Okay, and we are going to exit. Yes. Let's check it's clearly mentioned there or not. Yes, it's here. It's fine. Okay. Control X. And now we are going to log in the Ansible server only. So for that I'm okay. Now we provided the permission. Now we are removing this broadcast. Okay. Then I'm uh going to move into sudo su and Ansible. Okay, now I came into Ansible. Now I want to check that can I able to connect with node1. Oh, node1. Yes, let's try. Still asking for password. Okay, what we can do, let's see. We want to go to the sudo su, go to sudo su and to the home page. Uh, in the root, actually, I will get in the root. I want to create, do the, copy the keychain. Actually, SSH keychain will be there. Okay, and keychain Paris. Password enter. Okay, this is the keychain. I want to copy this keychain to all my nodes, then only it will work. So SSH copy ID node1. Okay, yes, password. Okay, this is saying that attempting login with the key, the filter out there is already installed. It is saying. So we'll do one thing. Control C. We want to show simple. Okay, simple. We can check SSH node 1. Okay, it is still asking for password. So for that, we want to check that SSH keychain is there and key. Now I'm going to do the SSH node 1. Yes, now it's fine. Now it's connecting. Okay, without password also because I copied this keychain and saved in node 1 and node 2. Now it's connecting easily without any password. I can connect with node 1. I just put exit. So now I exited from the node 1 and I'm checking that can I able to access node 2 without password. Yes, that's also now I can exit from that. Now everything is fine. Now I can see what's the Ansible version. Okay, yeah, the version is 2.18.4. Now another thing I want to do that I want to create a directory in the Ansible server. So then I want to call that with the help. I want to add the host file also, and I want to ping the Ansible server. So I want to achieve that. So for that I want to go to the Ansible server and CLS. Okay, I want to go to. I want to make the mkdir dev folder. I have created a dev folder. Yes. Now I have a dev folder here. Now what I'm going to do, I want to open that dev folder, and over here I want to create a Ansible config file and dot dot config file, and I want to write a default code and the privilege association. This code is available in Ansible documentation itself. And after that, I'm going to create a host also. Host also, and the host is the one actually inside the Ansible. Uh, inside the dev, I'm inside the Ansible server itself. Creating different node setup. So that's what I'm going to do now. The one, the the one is node one, and the two is node two. Now I accomplished that. Then I accomplished that. Now I want to check that. How, how, I want to check that Ansible or list for seeing, yes, it's showing that all these nodes are still the, I have created the nodes, yes. Now I want to ping uh, Ansible. For that I out Ansible or minus yum ping. Yes, it's empty. Host is empty. Host list is empty. Only host is does not match all. Okay, okay, okay. It's not matching actually. Now I'm trying to ping Ansible node one minus yum ping. That's also means not pinging sudo su. Sure, I'll check the root level. Okay. Su and let's try this sudo ansible sudo ansible or minus ping. It's not pinging. Why so? Let's see. Sorry, actually, I forgot to go into the dev folder. Actually, I have to go to the dev folder and do Ansible all yum ping. Then it is not coming the error. So now I can see ping and pong. So now inside the dev folder, what I did, I have created two two group one two node groups so that now it will be very easy to do the other task actually to connecting the infrastructure and managing the infrastructure in Ansible actually. So I hope everyone understand this structure and how I created the Azure servers and make it as a Ansible and how we are going to move forward the next step of Ansible. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm going to create some other Ansible use cases in the coming videos. I would like to request all your support and appreciation for moving forward. Thank you so much.